You gonna spin? You gotta spin.
Someone's already a little dizzy.
Samantha, you gonna spin some more? Are we spinning? Whoa! Are you dizzy? You gonna spin some more? Don't hit your head.
You like spinning. You just keep looking at the ground, and that really doesn't help.